All right, so this is the moment of truth. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Me and my boy SK9, shout out to SK9, we went to CES back in 2014. Ever since then, ever since I saw one of these bad boys, I've been wanting one. And so that day is finally coming. Hold on one second, I'll be right back. So, let's get into this bad boy, shall we?
That's good.
So I just got the LG C9 OLED, and when I tell y'all this TV is amazing, look at this. This TV is amazing. So I got the 55-inch because I'm in my office. This is my office, my workspace. So I didn't need to do anything crazy. I didn't need to get the 65 or the 70. I didn't need all that. 55-inch is perfect for me in my office. It's amazing. The reason why I finally decided to get my OLED is because y'all know I'm a gamer. New consoles coming out, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X. Also got it connected to my PC as well. But right now was the time for me, and that's why I copped it. 120 frames per second, 4K, HDR. Pick one of the versions of HDR because there's so many. It does them all. FreeSync, G-Sync. What else you need to do? Magic Remote, LG OS. And did I mention this TV is clear as hell? Just look at it. But it's amazing. I finally got my first OLED. I'm super excited. If you could not tell, man. But that's all I wanted to say. But yeah, man. So that's my OLED. That's why I got it. Next gen gaming. I'm getting ready. I needed a new TV anyway, so it was just perfect timing. So LG C9. Why didn't I get the C10? It wasn't that much of a difference for me to get the C10. Plus the C10 was actually lacking a couple of features, but for the most part, both TVs are on par. So why spend more when you can spend less? You can always pay less. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys check out the next video. This is your boy DLB, and I'm out of here. Thank you guys for stopping by. Get home safely. Get home safely.